everyone, John Chow here from JohnChow.com, and welcome to another episode of Charging with John Chow. No, maybe driving, but right now I'm at the Tesla Supercharger station, charging up the car. Just dropped Sally off from school, so it's ideal because her school is only like a few minutes away from this charging station. Drop her off, charge here. I could charge at home, but this is free. This is free, so yeah, it's like totally free. Saves me, I estimate I probably save about a couple $100 a month in energy costs by taking advantage of the Tesla Supercharger instead of charging myself. And you're adding the fact that this car requires like zero maintenance. Like I had it for over 2 years, almost 2 years now, and so far the maintenance bill has been zero. There's no oil changes, no lube top up, no fluid changes, nothing. The only fluid I had to change is basically the windshield washer fluid. And since it hardly ever rains here, I hardly ever use it, so I haven't changed that either. So, hey, cool. Anyway, I want to use this driving episode to answer another reader email. One of my biggest source of content is from you guys. You guys asking questions by emailing me or asking questions in the comments down below. And so I get a lot of my content from that, and it works out really, really great because I'm answering your question instead of making stuff up and like, what do you think you guys want? But yeah, anyway, this question is actually quite a common one, and I don't understand why, but it is. And that question is like, I get readers from all over the world, over 200 plus countries, at least according to WordPress anyway. So I get readers from 200 plus countries around the world. And by the way, according to WordPress, I get readers from 225 countries around the world. Now, yes, I know, according to the UN, it's only 194 or 195 countries in there, but WordPress is politically correct. You know, if you're recognized, partially recognized somewhere, you consider a country. You know, like for example, Taiwan, not recognized as a country by the UN, but is a country, you know, according to WordPress. And Israel, recognized as a country, but not recognized as a country by any Arab state. So yeah, anyway, I get readers from all over the world, needless to say. And so some of the emails I get, at least one in 6, ask the question like, it sounds great, you know, what you're doing, making money online. Wow, I want to do it, but can I do it for my country? That's the question. Can I make money online for my country? And to answer that question, it's basically, the answer is yes. The answer is yes. Basically, if you want the short answer, that is this. One of the advantages, one of the 3 main advantages of Liberty.com lifestyle: time freedom, money freedom, location freedom. Location freedom means exactly that. I can run my business from anywhere in the world as long as I have internet access. So, doesn't matter where you're from. If you email me, you can do this. The fact that, I mean, if you don't have internet access, then a little tough to make money online. But the fact that you email me or left a message or left a comment below this video means you obviously have internet access, and therefore you can actually make money online. It may be a little more difficult than, say, some other countries. Like, let's face it, it's really, really easy to make money online in the United States or any tier 1 country because there's banking systems in place, there are a lot of things in place. But other countries that are not as open, say China, it's a little more difficult, as China blocks off a lot of stuff. Last time I was in China, Google was blocked, YouTube was blocked, and Facebook was blocked. So one of the 3 main sites I deal with were completely blocked. can't access them. But you know, there are ways around that too. I mean, you can just set up a proxy and we get around that. And I remember, let's see, last time I was in China, I was in there for almost over a month, and even behind that great firewall that they have set up, I can log in and make money online. So if you're from Nigeria, I get a lot of these email from people readers from Nigeria. They're saying that I'm from Nigeria. Can I do this? And the answer is yes. Is it as easy as the United States? No. I mean, Nigeria has a bad reputation for doing those Nigerian scams, and some credit card companies or PayPal doesn't like doing business there because of the higher risk and stuff. But you can still do business there. There are always ways around it. So that's a kind of a long-winded answer to the question: can I make money online anywhere in the world? Basically, short answer is yes. Long answer is yes, a little more difficult, but always ways around it. So there you go. Hope that helps you guys. Have any more questions, leave them down below or send me an email, johnchow@johnchow.com. Love to hear from you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.